They love it when I turn off the bass.
Alright, so for Cook on Slaughterhouse, you're going to end up spawning in and padlocking both facility doors, left and right. So you just want to go up, padlock this door. You're going to go to the next door. You're going to padlock that one. And then the next door you want to padlock is right side Slaughterhouse. So you're going to do all the red doors. As long as you padlock them doors, Cook can then, or Hitchhiker can then trap Slaughterhouse door, Slaughterhouse sliding door, and they really don't have anywhere to go. You'll be able to use your family vision to see if they took any of your padlocks off, or Hitchhiker can check and see if his traps have been dismembered. So as Hitchhiker, you're going to spawn in, and your first trap you really do want to set is Slaughterhouse sliding, because if they wake Grandpa up there first, they can rush right through Slaughterhouse with Connie. So as long as you get that trap down right away, it makes it a lot harder for them to rush the Slaughterhouse exit. You want to check this this door right here. Check to see if fuse box is right there, which it's not, because fuse box is also going to be one of the things you're going to trap as Hitchhiker. The third trap is kind of random. It all depends on where you want to put it. We like putting our traps on top of Bone Room, on top of the steps, so the victims can run right into it there. You really want to set this trap outside of Slaughterhouse, because you want them to dismember your trap or dismantle your trap before they unlock this door. You don't want them to unlock it and then do it. I just put it there because I'm playing with my team right now, so it's a lot easier. And then you get in this little fight with Leland. Well, he's dead. But since Fusebox didn't spawn over by facility, you know it's going to be back here, and here it goes. So that's where I like putting my traps, and then we're going to get into the Leatherface portion of this video. So as Leatherface, you really don't want to be getting door slammed down here. So the first thing you want to do is this door to your right over here. Me and my team actually call it the Bubba door slam door. Delete this immediately. Destroy this thing as fast as possible. Then you're going to go and do these two doors. Go to the next door and destroy this one. The barricade didn't spawn here this time, but right after here, there's a barricade you check for. It spawns right there. It didn't today. So you go up. This is a very important crawl space to destroy, because obviously a lot of teams do pressure gate here. So just destroy this so they can't crawl through it. They have to go around. They can't loop you here either. Then you destroy this barricade. And then after that, you just finish out the match. And let's see how these victims do. Thanks for watching.
Brakes on his ass. Yo, on right side facility. I think it's a Connie trying to boom boom. What the fuck? I just seen her.
Are you hitting somebody over here?
I wasn't, no. I thought I heard somebody hitting someone there. That's why I ran over there. But Jason just has them out. Yeah, mid. Like by
Camera's on your left door.
But I got Leland on me too.
She's probably on a well here.
I got Leland in ladder. Like by right side facility.
Well.
Yeah, Leland's grabbing a valve handle right now. There's a barrier right here though, I can't.
Anna's dead. Let me see where Valve's actually at. Valve's all the way in Leatherfish's lair too.
Yeah, Leland's going there right now. He's running down through bone room.
You might hit that trap, keep chasing him. Yep, there it goes.
I was way behind him. I was out of stamina when I seen him. I can't catch him. I'm gonna feed Grandpa real quick and go down there. Kill somebody?
I killed Anna.
Yeah, there's somebody dying right now. Oh yeah. Jake killed somebody.
Leland's running away. I assume he's probably gonna try to go hit ladder.
Okay, I'm gonna go, are you in the place lair? Or?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go stand on it then. It's a long run from where I came down there.
Yeah, I chased Leland back up. He went towards ladder.
Okay.
Then came back down and died. Come on, Leland. What you doing, my boy?
He's great.
Alright, Sonny just got an extra 200 points. Check the doors.
Slaughterhouse, maybe?
Yeah.
Outside. All my padlocks are still up.
Sliding is open. Sliding's open.
Okay. Figured. Oh.
Hitchhiker's over here.
You will.
You weld? Alright.
Hasn't moved
He
yet.
was partied up with Anna, so.
Yeah, he's crouching wherever he is. Oh, dude, barrier spawns
Yeah,
they got
yeah.
here are insane. That's actually crazy. Yeah, he's stealthing around. I'm just gonna go pick a bunch of barricades and shit.
I would assume he's gonna try to go to. Yep, he's at Leland's body. He's going towards tank. He's coming up bone room right now. He's gonna hit that trap and die. He's dead. I love that bone room trap.
That bone and trap always gets me as a victim.